welcome back to JVF Solution channel. Today we have James here. He's going to explain a little bit about the difference between a landing page and a website. So let's hear it.
Cool, thank you. So the primary difference between a typical web page and a landing page is really its purpose. A landing page is really meant to only do one thing, and that's a call to action. Buy a product, sign up for a mailing list, or submit a message. So a typical landing page will only have the same link maybe multiple times in the same page, but it will only have one link. There'll be no navigation at the top, no navigation in the footer, just information about what you're proposing, your product, whatever it is, and a link to just take that one particular action. A web page, typical web page, will have links in the header, there'll be links in the footer, there'll be links throughout it, social links, all of that stuff. That's all a definite no-no on a landing page. Follow us for more.